Everyone thinks the best-selling small gas-powered chainsaw is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: SUPMIXTOLS 62cc chainsaw. First up is the SUPMIXTOLS 62cc gas chainsaw. Priced at $129.99, this chainsaw caught my attention with its powerful performance and ergonomic design. If you want a rugged tool for serious cutting tasks, this is worth a serious look. The 20-inch guide bar helps you cut through larger logs and branches efficiently, making it perfect for tree trimming. Plus, with a chain speed of 8,500 RPM, you're looking at quick cuts that save you time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its low kickback chain, you can operate it safely without the fear of sudden jolts. Now, some folks have commented that it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power in a chainsaw, a little extra weight is often the trade-off. It's not a deal breaker if you need a tool that can handle tough jobs. This chainsaw is perfect for you if you're tackling big outdoor projects or need something for professional use. Skip this one if you're just looking for light-duty trimming around your garden. Given its price and power, I think it's a solid investment. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: CEPUI Mini Chainsaw. Next up is the CEPUI Mini Chainsaw, which is priced at just $39.99. This caught my eye because of its portability and lightweight design. If convenience is what you're after, this is a great option to consider. The 6-inch blade is powered by an 880-watt motor that lets you cut through a 6-inch log in just 6 seconds. Seriously. Plus, the auto oil filling system means you won't have to constantly stop to lubricate the chain. It's designed for easy one-handed operation too, making it a great choice for women and seniors. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that requires less strain and is easy to handle, this chainsaw fits the bill perfectly. Now, some reviews mention that the battery life could be better, but honestly, for the price, you're getting a lot of value. Just keep a spare battery handy and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight saw for light-duty jobs around the house. Skip this one if you're planning on cutting larger trees or heavy-duty work. At this price, it's hard to beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more serious cutting tasks. Product number 3: VEVOR Gas Chainsaw. The VEVOR 20-inch gas chainsaw comes in at $115.90, and it's a solid choice if you want something that balances performance and price. I was impressed by its powerful engine and dual fuel tanks. If you're looking for reliability and power, definitely check this one out. With a 62cc engine that delivers 3.8 horsepower, this chainsaw can handle thick trunks and branches with ease. It features a 20-inch guide bar that allows for cutting diameters up to 18 inches, which is great for serious loggers and anyone needing a reliable tool for larger projects. The cold and hot start options make it easier to use in various conditions, ensuring you won't be stuck waiting for it to warm up. Here's why this matters for you. The emergency stop function ensures you can stop the saw immediately if needed, adding an extra layer of safety. However, a few users have reported startup issues, especially in colder weather. Here's the thing though, if you read the manual and follow the starting procedure, it's usually not a big problem. It's something to be aware of, but not a deal breaker if you take your time. This chainsaw is perfect for you if you need something for both home and professional use. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight option. Given its price and performance, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about cutting. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, this next chainsaw is definitely an interesting alternative. Product number 4: Husqvarna 135 Mark II. Next, we have the Husqvarna 135 Mark II, priced at $299. This is a bit on the higher end, but it caught my attention because of its reliability and ease of use. If you want a chainsaw that's user-friendly and effective, this is one to consider. This chainsaw features a 2-cycle 38cc engine that offers 2 horsepower, which is sufficient for most home and garden tasks. The 16-inch bar makes it versatile for various jobs, from pruning to cutting firewood. The Smart Start feature means you can get it up and running with minimal effort, and the air injection technology helps keep the engine clean and functioning well. Here's why this matters for you. The low vibration design means you can use it longer without feeling fatigued. However, some users did mention that it's not as powerful as larger models. But honestly, if you're doing light to moderate tasks, this saw is more than enough. It's designed for the average homeowner, so it's not a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want something efficient for home use without the hassle. Skip this one if you're planning heavy logging. For its features, I think it justifies the price. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're looking for something even more compact, this final option may catch your interest. Product number 5, PROYAMA 26cc Chainsaw. Finally, we have the PROYAMA 26cc Chainsaw, which is priced at $129. This caught my eye with its top handle design, making it easier to control. If you want a lightweight saw for precision jobs, this is definitely worth considering. The 12-inch blade is perfect for tasks like tree pruning and clearing debris. The anti-vibration system helps reduce fatigue during operation, and the quick-stop chain brake adds an extra layer of safety. Here's why this matters for you. If you often find yourself needing to cut in tight spaces or for extended periods, this design makes a big difference. However, some users found it less effective for larger jobs. But let's be honest, if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-handle tool for smaller tasks, this won't be an issue. It's just not meant for heavy-duty work. This chainsaw is perfect for you if you need a comfortable option for light tasks like pruning and trimming. Skip this one if you're going to tackle larger trees or heavy-duty cutting. For its price, it's a good value for what you get. So there you have it. The SUPMIXTOOLS 62cc for heavy-duty tasks, the CEPUI Mini for portability, the VEVOR for balanced performance, the Husqvarna 135 Mark II for ease of use, and the PROYAMA for light precision work. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you need most before making a choice.